The Lockheed C-130 Hercules has long been known as one of the most versatile and reliable military transport aircraft in aviation history. Since its first flight in the mid-20th century, it has served in dozens of countries, carrying troops, supplies, vehicles, and even performing missions ranging from firefighting to humanitarian aid. Now, with the upcoming 2026 edition, Lockheed Martin is once again preparing to redefine what this legendary aircraft can do. The C-130 Hercules 2026 combines decades of proven design with modern technology, new materials, and advanced performance capabilities that aim to keep it ahead of the curve in both military and civilian operations. When we talk about the Hercules, the first thing that comes to mind is its unmatched reputation for durability and adaptability. Over 70 countries have operated some version of this aircraft, and it has been deployed in war zones, disaster relief operations, and even polar missions. The 2026 version is not just an upgrade, it is a careful evolution that balances heritage with innovation. Engineers at Lockheed Martin have focused on improving efficiency, extending range, enhancing payload capacity, and integrating advanced avionics, all while retaining the rugged capability that has made the Hercules a global workhorse. At the heart of the C-130 Hercules 2026 is its power plant. The aircraft is expected to feature updated Rolls-Royce AE2100 D3 turboprop engines, optimized for both horsepower and fuel efficiency. Each engine delivers nearly 4,700 shaft horsepower, giving the Hercules the thrust required for heavy lift missions and short takeoffs, even on improvised runways. The 2026 version also introduces refinements to the 6-blade composite propellers, designed to reduce noise, enhance thrust, and improve overall aerodynamic efficiency. These engines, combined with the lighter materials used in construction, allow the aircraft to achieve greater fuel economy and longer operational range without sacrificing payload capability. Speaking of payload, one of the strongest selling points of the Hercules has always been its ability to carry massive loads while operating in the harshest environments. The C-130 Hercules 2026 is designed to carry up to 45,000 pounds of cargo, whether that be military vehicles, artillery, relief supplies, or troops. With a cargo hold length of over 40 feet and a height of 9 feet, it can easily fit armored vehicles, helicopters, or palletized supplies. The rear loading ramp has been enhanced with faster hydraulic operation for quicker loading and unloading, making the aircraft ideal for fast-paced missions. In terms of speed and range, the Hercules 2026 is expected to cruise at around 360 knots, equivalent to roughly 660 kilometers per hour, with a maximum range of up to 2,500 nautical miles depending on payload. This makes it a highly efficient platform for both regional and intercontinental transport missions. For aerial refueling versions, the range is practically limitless, allowing them to stay airborne for extended operations. The short takeoff and landing performance of the Hercules remains one of its greatest strengths. Even on rough dirt strips or icy runways, the Hercules can land and take off with remarkable safety, making it invaluable for missions where infrastructure is limited. Modernization has also extended into the cockpit. The C-130 Hercules 2026 features a state-of-the-art digital glass cockpit, replacing older analog instruments with advanced avionics systems. These include upgraded flight management systems, enhanced radar, terrain awareness, and warning systems, and military-grade GPS navigation. The cockpit has been designed to reduce pilot workload while providing better situational awareness, particularly in hostile environments. The inclusion of advanced autopilot systems allows for safer long-duration flights and better fuel efficiency. Night vision compatibility and large multifunction displays ensure that crews can adapt seamlessly to different mission profiles. Another key area of innovation lies in survivability and protection. The 2026 Hercules is expected to include improved electronic warfare suites, radar warning receivers, and countermeasure systems to defend against surface-to-air threats. With ongoing conflicts around the world, the ability to operate in contested airspaces safely is critical. The aircraft's design also includes reinforced armor protection in vulnerable areas and advanced infrared suppression technology to reduce heat signatures. From a design perspective, the Hercules 2026 retains its classic high-wing, boxy fuselage shape, but it incorporates modern composite materials that reduce overall weight while increasing durability. This allows for lower maintenance requirements and longer service life. The aircraft has been carefully engineered for modularity, meaning it can be rapidly reconfigured between cargo transport, troop transport, medical evacuation, or even specialized missions such as airborne firefighting and search and rescue. The 2026 Hercules is not just a military transport aircraft but a multi-mission platform adaptable to nearly any task. For humanitarian missions, the aircraft remains unmatched. It can deliver tons of supplies to remote regions affected by natural disasters, where no commercial jet can land. Its ability to airdrop food, medicine, and equipment directly into crisis zones saves countless lives. With climate change increasing the frequency of extreme weather events, the Hercules is expected to play an even more important role in disaster response worldwide. In terms of cost, while Lockheed Martin has not officially released final pricing for the 2026 edition, estimates suggest that each unit will cost between $100 to $120 million, depending on the configuration and mission systems requested by the customer. Although this might seem expensive, the Hercules offers incredible value given its capabilities, lifespan, and versatility. Many militaries view it not as an expense but as a long-term investment in national security and operational flexibility. Performance-wise, the Hercules 2026 has been designed to operate under extreme conditions, whether that means desert heat, Arctic cold, or tropical humidity. Its systems have been tested for reliability across environments, and its track record over the decades speaks volumes. Very few aircraft in history have achieved the same level of trust from both military and civilian operators. The addition of modern digital maintenance systems in the 2026 version will further reduce downtime, ensuring that operators can keep the aircraft flying more consistently. The expected release date of the Lockheed C-130 Hercules 2026 is projected to be late 2026, with initial deliveries going to the United States Air Force and allied nations that have long relied on the Hercules fleet. Several countries in Europe, the Middle East, and Asia are already in talks for procurement, as the Hercules remains a vital component of air mobility strategies worldwide. Looking at the big picture, the Hercules 2026 continues the proud tradition of this iconic aircraft. It blends power, efficiency, technology, and reliability into one package, ensuring that it will remain relevant well into the future. For aviation enthusiasts, military strategists, and even humanitarian organizations, the Hercules remains a symbol of what an aircraft can achieve when designed with versatility and endurance at its core. In summary, the Lockheed C-130 Hercules 2026 is more than just a transport plane. It is a lifeline for soldiers in combat, a beacon of hope for disaster victims, and a symbol of engineering excellence that has stood the test of time. With upgraded engines, advanced avionics, improved payload capacity, modernized design, and global adaptability, it stands ready to continue its mission of serving humanity and defense alike. The Hercules is not just another aircraft in the skies, it is the backbone of military and humanitarian aviation, and with the 2026 version, its story is only getting stronger.